Welcome back to our series all about creating an influencer media kit with Wix. So far, we've set up our branding by choosing colors, fonts, and uploading logos. Now, it's time to focus on one of the most important parts of your media kit, your bio section. This is where potential collaborators, sponsors, and brands will learn who you are, what you stand for, and why they should work with you. So, let's get into it. The template you selected often comes with sections already, so all there's left for you to do is to edit the content. You can use the same layout, but if you don't want to use it, you can also rearrange your placement of your elements. But if you still want to use another section, then simply go to Add Section over here. And here on the About category, you should be able to see some templates relevant to it. So if you want to use a new section, you can add a new one. If you want to use your existing one, such as what I'm going to do, then you can do so as well. So once you add your section or once your section's ready, click on it and click on Quick Edit or the pencil icon. This will open a panel on the right, and this is where you should be able to change your section background. So go ahead and change it if you want to. Your strip background, your image, as well as your texts. So make sure to put your name, add a description of what kind of influencer you are, say for example in this case, a beauty and lifestyle influencer. If your template comes with social bars, you can set the links by clicking on Set Links over here. Click this link, make sure web address is selected, and then input your URL from that platform over here. Say, for example, if you're working on the LinkedIn icon, of course, you're going to have to put your LinkedIn profile URL over here and then click on Done. Now move on to the next icon and do the same thing until you finish everything. In my case, I'm going to be removing that because I will be placing my social media bar elsewhere later on, but if you want to keep it here, that's okay too. Most importantly, don't forget your paragraph or your About Me paragraph. This is kind of like an introduction, giving your potential collaborators the chance to get to know who you are. And as for your button, if you want to keep it, you can do so, but your button or call to action button should be, its goal should be to have potential collaborators contact you. Once you're done editing the content on this panel, you can then close it. And then if you wish to, you can rearrange your elements over here. I'm going to play around with this image, so I'm going to try using a shape for this crop. So I'm going to go to Crop, go to Shape Crop, and select an interesting shape that we could use. Click on Apply, and then we're going to resize it. As for your text, if you want to put special effects onto it, click on it and click on Edit Text. And using the tools on this small window, go ahead and design your text however you want to. If you want to change your button's design, click on it and click on Design. Select your preferred button shape from over here. And if you'd like to customize it further, click on Customize Design and change its fill color and opacity, border, corners, shadow, and text. As for this button's link, we will work on it once we finish creating our contact form so that we can link it properly and it will take us to the right place. All right, so I'm going to lastly adjust the height of this section, and there we have it. So far, it's looking good. Once you're done working on your About Me section, click on the Save button to make sure that your progress will be saved. And that's all for now. You now have a professional bio section that highlights your brand story and makes a strong first impression on potential collaborators. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video, guys, and thanks so much for watching.